Welcome back to my channel. It's Cozy Christopher. Today we are looking at the Movo WMX-2 wireless microphone set. Now this has been my daily driver for about 4 to 5 months. It's absolutely fantastic. So let's jump into the unboxing. Let's jump into the features and my experience while using this, and then let's do some sound tests as well so you get an idea of what it sounds like. So this was sent out to me by Movo. Thank you so much for sending this out. It's a phenomenal product. I'm not being biased, I'm just sharing my experience. So let's jump into the unboxing. Okay, so I'm going to use some video footage from when I first got this a while back, but this is the Movo WMX-2, and this is unboxing it from the original packaging there. It does have a 2-year warranty, but you have to activate it on their website, so make sure you do that when you first get it. Inside the box, of course, you're always going to have some different information from them that allows you to learn more about their brand and share feedback, etc. It's going to be a case or a bag that's in the box here with the manual as well as the rest of the goodies now. There's a little plastic pouch that houses all of your cables and adapters. You're going to have dead screens or dead cats. You're also going to have all of the the charging cables, so USB-A to USB-C, but then you also have your 2 cables, one for a smartphone and one for your camera, and then you're going to have the actual wireless lavalier that comes along with it, as well as a counterweight to hold that wire down in your pocket. Now the bag is pretty nice. You can use this to put all of your stuff in there as a second carrying case inside of your camera bag there. That way you can keep all your stuff together. Now the case is really nice. So it does have a battery indicator on the outside that you can push, and it will let you know how much charge the transmitter and the receiver have. It's a click button, so that way they won't open accidentally and fall out, and the magnets in there are pretty good. Now when you first open it up, you do have to remove the tape from the front of the screen there, as well as the front of the or on the back where the charging ports touch the actual case. And then once you do that, you can see it charging. But the transmitter has a microphone on top, and then the receiver has a headphone out on top. So this is a pretty good benchmark of listening to the Movo WMX-2 while outside. And I'm holding it right now, and I have the dead cat on top of it just in case there was wind, but there isn't. So excuse the wind or shuffling while I put this on my sweater. But this is what you can expect when you're listening to it directly with the lavalier here, and not using a lavalier microphone right on top of this attached to it by the 3.5 millimeter. But it sounds good either way. So on a day-to-day basis, when I make my videos, typically I'm using this with a lavalier plug-in microphone and not the actual wireless lavalier here, just so that I can conceal this and put this away and it's not kind of sticking there. But either way, it sounds really good. And this is at volume 1 on both the receiver and the transmitter, and it's right out of the box, not editing the vocals. May even the sound out just so it's not highs and lows, but right now they're working on a roof in my neighborhood, and you may hear some of that, but for the most part it's picking up my voice really, really well. So next I'm going to do a sound test from a distance, and then I'm going to walk down that direction, or maybe that direction, we'll see, and we'll get an idea of what it sounds like with all the noise going around in the neighborhood. So you can see the kids playing basketball in the yard, and so there's noise going, and then I'm going to keep walking down away from the mic. We're going to test how far it works, and so I'm just going to keep walking, and we're going to see how well the sound works from the camera, walking all the way down the neighborhood block, and then I'm going to come back. I mean, outside of this, doesn't really make sense to, I mean, if you're shooting this far, you need a different setup. You want something with a 2.4 long range connection. And so at this distance, I'm walking down, testing the mic, testing the sound there. But within this space, all set. You should have exactly what you need. Again, you're going to start hearing the basketball and stuff like that, as this is an omnidirectional microphone. It's going to pick up the sound around as opposed to just what's in front of me. I do have the windscreen on. I'm walking at a brisk pace to see if there's going to be any wind noise, but you'll see here in editing how it sounds, and you'll see it. You kind of hear it before me because I'll be surprised by it in editing, but this is what you can expect.
Okay. Talk, can you talk, can you talk? Hello. Is this sound range far? We are trying to figure out. Is it far or is it low? I have no idea what I'm saying, I'm just saying random words. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, Y, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you play with me? Good. Here.
Okay, so not too bad from a distance standpoint. And if, again, I still haven't heard it yet. And so, oh man, a lot of work. I drank all my coffee already. Now, also, of course, the lavalier microphone that you use when you plug into the actual wireless transmitter below is going to change how well you hear, right? And so this is a tag-along product, right? And so this is like what they send in the box. And so, of course, if you were to change it, it will change the sound quality. And so now you're hearing my Rode Wireless Go microphone plugged into my Movo WMX-2. And again, this is a lavalier microphone, again, plugging directly into the transmitter here. And so you're probably wondering, what are my thoughts, right? So I have used this for a better part of 4 to 5 months, maybe. They sent this to me a while ago, right after they sent me the iOS version as well, because they have a package where you can kind of combine the two between this receiver transmitter along with the one that plugs into the iOS or Android mobile phones. And so this product is a phenomenal product. It has been my day-to-day driver. Every time you have seen me sit here making a YouTube video where there was not a mic in my face, meaning one of my dynamic mics or condenser microphone, it's been this one here. And this sounds phenomenal outside of the box. It checks all the boxes. It has all the features you need, and it is very, 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 very affordable. I use this one on a day-to-day basis. It's so convenient. The charging case, as we went over earlier, the charging case makes it so easy. I literally just take them off, put them right back in the case, sit them over there on my desk, and then when I'm ready to film again, grab the case again, get them out, connect it, and get it going. So this has made my workflow extremely quick by having something with a charging case built in, and then something that is extremely good right out of the box. As I always say, no matter if I'm using one of my dynamic mics, condenser microphones, or these lavalier microphone sets, I always want it to just be plug and play. I don't want to be messing around with audio, and this has been an amazing, amazing experience. So I highly recommend this. It's affordable. It has a built-in charger, comes along with it. It comes with a lavalier microphone with the transmitter and receiver, and it's a plug and play solution. It also works with smartphones. And so what more do you want? It has everything you need. So ask any questions you may have in the comment section below. As always, stay cozy in that crazy world, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
I know it's just a